How to zoom in CapCut. Want to highlight details or add cinematic motion? Let's zoom in using CapCut. So first, import your clip. Start a new project and add your video to the timeline. So once you have the video here, drag it to your canvas. Click on the video, and then at the top right of your screen, you should find this video tab. Under basic, you should find this transform section. So click on this diamond icon at the right side of transform. So at the very beginning of your video, you need to add a keyframe to be able to lock in this specific look of the video, and then play the video, and then after that, go ahead and press on the stop button to be able to stop where you want to add that zoom in effect. So use the scale, drag it to the right to be able to zoom in, and then another keyframe would then be added in here. So once you replay the video, you should find a zoom in effect on the video, and that is how to zoom in on CapCut.